Hi, I'm Jon Tuck, holistic energy scientist, human psychologist, spiritual and life coach, business coach, author, and creator of the Quantum Mind Mastery Method. Now, before I met Rustin, I'd already started working with my latest project, the Quantum Mind Mastery Method, which is an online course comprising of a series of self-help video tutorials and all of the sales and marketing tools and funnels and related paraphernalia to facilitate its path to ultimately helping people. But I needed help myself. I needed a different kind of support in order to achieve this more fluidly and comprehensively. And in particular, with regard to actual face to face communication and support, which I wasn't receiving from the Teachable platform that I'd originally chosen to host my course. Now, I chose to enroll into Rustin's Done With package as I particularly wanted him to teach me how to use the program or the platform, so that I'd be in a position where I could get on with it and make any necessary changes quickly as the course evolved and as I got feedback from my clients. Now, he said he could teach me and get me set up and ready to launch within a month, and to all extent and purpose he absolutely did. Now, in combination with his own step-by-step training videos and a series of live sessions with him, he took me through the entire process and fluidly assisted me with the transition, which also transpired to be a lot more cost effective than the previous platforms that I was using as a result of the extensive integrated facilities available on his platform. I shed a lot of the additional expenses that I had because his platform encompassed all of those tools and necessary processes. So if you've got an online course you'd like to sell, or you'd like to set up a community, or if you'd like assistance with marketing a product or a service and you want a comprehensive all-in-one platform to host your funnel, sales, CRM and automation and a whole lot more, then Rustin is your man. He's very knowledgeable, experienced and wise, and he's very easy to work with. I couldn't recommend him any more highly. Just get on a call with him and you'll see for yourself.